ROMI app, new app to make friends. So make friends, have fun. So as you can see here, it doesn't have that many ratings yet. Yeah, you can explore a world of emojis that came alive with AR, meet fun new people through creative profiles, scroll real moments, tap into the vibe, turn your profile into a vibe canvas. It's a playful social experience that brings your emotion to life and helps you connect through creativity, expression, fun conversations. Use your hands and voice to create live emoji effects, capture playful moments, swipe to meet new people, and spark real connections. Gesture powered effects, and that's kind of the idea. So here, yeah, you can just open it up. Let's open it up, and then you can just swipe. It's a bit glitchy, and then you can see the feed. You can see who liked or have visited your profile. You can see some chat and some daily bonus which you can just claim, and then you can just get these coins. You can just delete. Yeah, so that's kind of the idea of the app, kind of new app. Some people say that this app is quite scammy though, and there are a lot of AI bots. So I'm not sure, but yeah, you need to be careful.